This video is sponsored by Squarespace, more about them later. If you love affordable decor that looks designer, but you also love to shop at Ikea for affordable home pieces, you're in the right place. Today I'm rounding up the best Ikea decor finds for 2025, and let me tell you, these new pieces are unique, stylish, and totally worth a spot in your home. I'm On, this is Mars. Thank you so much for stopping by. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel, ring that notification bell, and hit that like button to never miss another video again. Now let's go! The first new Ikea decor piece I have for you is the GLANSGRAN Vase. And right off the start, wow, Ikea really nailed it with this one for just $14.99. It has that beautiful sculptural shape and semi-matte finish that makes it look way more expensive than it actually is. Style it with some dried florals or leave it empty. Either way, it's a statement piece that brings those modern, minimal vibes to any shelf or console. Another new vase at Ikea that's such a high-end decor piece is the PÄRLHÄGG Vase. This one has a dreamy, shiny glass finish and a shape that feels modern but timeless at the same time. It honestly looks like one of those designer pieces you'd find for triple the price, and it's perfect on its own or styled with a single stem. Subtle, chic, and such a decor gem. Next up is this beautiful Stockholm 2025 glass bowl, and let me tell you, this one feels like a real art piece. With its bold shape and handcrafted look, it's the kind of piece that instantly elevates your space. Whether you use it to serve fruit or just let it shine on its own, it's giving designer vibes all the way, and it's easily one of Ikea's most luxe looking decor drops this year. Another amazing new decor piece that's also a part of the new 2025 Stockholm collection is this gorgeous glass vase. This stunning dark brown bowl-shaped glass comes at $29.99 and has such a luxe look that feels straight from a boutique decor collection. Whether styled solo or grouped with smaller vases, it adds sophisticated depth and warmth to any shelf or table. Moving on to wall art, the next new piece of decor at Ikea I really love is the BLODFLÄDER Picture. Now, Ikea doesn't always hit the mark with wall art. In fact, you can rarely find something that's worth buying when it comes to art prints, but this one really stands out. The design is bold and artistic, and the wooden frame gives it that elevated gallery-style finish you can rarely see at this price point. It instantly adds character to any space and looks way more expensive than it actually is, which makes it a true hidden gem for your walls. Now, before moving on to our next new Ikea decor find, let me tell you a bit about today's sponsor, Squarespace, the platform that makes building a professional online presence so simple. One of the things that makes Squarespace so special are their SEO tools. Every website automatically gets optimized with meta descriptions, sitemaps, and all the technical stuff that helps you show up on Google. It's like having an SEO expert working behind the scenes, so you can just focus on creating amazing content. Another feature I absolutely love is their member areas capability. You can create exclusive content for your subscribers, set up different membership tiers, and even gate special tutorials or resources. It's such a smart way to build a community and create recurring income for your expertise. Plus, their analytics tools are honestly amazing for understanding your audience. You can see exactly where your visitors are coming from, which content they love most, and how your website is performing. So if you're ready to take your online presence to the next level, head on to squarespace.com for a free trial. And when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/homebymon to get 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. Thanks to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back to our new Ikea decor finds. Now, speaking of wall art, another one is also this larger art piece that's honestly jaw-dropping. With its statement size, warm tones, and a real wooden frame, it looks like a piece you can pick up at a local art market, not an Ikea showroom. It looks like a legit vintage art piece on a canvas, and it's definitely one of their best decor pieces this year. Another decor piece for your walls is this new Ikea picture ledge. Now Ikea has many picture ledges, but I love this one specifically since it's made out of wood. Picture ledges are a perfect way to showcase your favorite prints, photos, or small decor pieces without putting holes in your walls. Simple, sleek, and so easy to swap out your art whenever you want. Next one on my list is a decorative lamp I had mentioned in one of my previous videos, and that is the KUDDLAVA decorative table lamp. This one's a cozy little lighting gem that looks so aesthetic. With its soft shade and warm glow, it instantly adds a touch of comfort and style to any nook or a bedside table. It's simple, budget-friendly, and perfect for creating that inviting, relaxed vibe in your space. Another 2025 decor piece that just had to be on my top 10 list is this beautiful mirror. Its rounded edges and minimalist design makes it a perfect fit for modern and mid-century inspired spaces alike. Plus, it's the kind of mirror that adds brightness and depth without overpowering your room. It's such a subtle decor update that makes a big impact. And we're finishing off with a new wall decor that really caught my eye, and that is the BONDIS wall clock. I was in the looks for a wall clock for my home, and I think this one looks just perfect. It has such a retro-inspired look that's simple yet timeless at the same time. With its clean lines, bold numbers, and classic design, it fits perfectly into any style while keeping things modern and functional. It's a small detail that makes a big difference in terms of decor. And that's a wrap for today. Did you like these new Ikea decor pieces? Let me know in the comment section below along with which product was your favorite. Mine was definitely that stunning art piece. I just can't wait to see it in stores. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, ring that notification bell, and hit that like button. And as always, I'll see you designers next week. Bye! I think this time I'm going to give him a treat so that he wakes up. Let's go. Look at him sleep. Such a tired boy. He's hearing me open the drawer with treats. Okay, let's see. What do we have? We have a treat. Here you go, buddy. Your favorite sausage. Aren't you the best doggo? Aren't you the best doggo? Mars? Mars? Bye!